Morning guys, Happy New Year to you. It's early January, just taking the bike out for a ride because it's absolutely beautiful day. It's pretty cold but really nice. I think a few other guys have got the same idea. I'm not going far, just a little ride in the country, trying to avoid the leaves and any potential slick patches. The bike started really well. It's only taken me 2 years, but I am finally getting used to the handshake, as they call it, getting used to how to start the bike. It takes a while, especially if you're making lots of adjustments, but I realised I haven't been flooding it enough. Anyway, that's just today. It might be a different story tomorrow. There's my LED lights. And it's running a little faster than usual. I actually like this bike to run a bit faster. I get a little nervous at lights. Don't want it to just die on me, so it's doing great. Okay, let's go for a ride. Go Grizzlies! So I hope your New Year's has started off well. Mine certainly has. And thanks very much for all your really nice comments and your great advice and comments about the new Norton project. It's not really a project, it's a really great bike. Everything's going well so far as you watch this video. Got a few problems with the carburetors, and I suspect it's more electrical than carburetor. What's the saying? 90% of carburetor problems are electrical and vice versa. So I may be ordering a tri-spark electronic ignition for it. I've got one on my other Commando and it's been brilliant. I think I've had it 10 years and haven't even touched it once. So I know the points are good, but it does seem to be impacting not the idle. The idle's really good, but when I rev up it will not come back down again. It's almost like an air leak, but we've done an air leak test and everything seems fine. The idle is lovely, but as soon as you start to rev up it just labours and hangs there, doesn't actually come back down. So I'm going to order the tri-spark. Honestly, I was going to order it anyway and see if that makes a difference. I suspect what's happening is the auto advance unit is either sticking or something like that. Yeah, I just have to be a little careful on these roads, they're a bit wet. Got my heavy old bell staff on at the moment. Makes me look like the Michelin Man, but it's really warm. Another very happy biker right there. Still need to do more work on the brakes on this. They're okay, they're not great, relatively speaking. I expect them to be a little bit better than they are. Obviously not the same as modern bikes. Some flooding here. I think like a lot of places here in the northwest, we've had quite a lot of flooding recently. And again, as I mentioned earlier, thanks again for all your comments, especially the ideas for the channel. And also my next project. You're right, it should be the Manxman. So as soon as I get that Norton running and sort of set to one side in preparation for riding, I'm going to start resuming work on the Manxman. So thank you for the reminder, I appreciate it. Well, it's just lovely now. Heading due west here, heading out to Forest Grove, Oregon, and if we keep going we can end up at the beach. Still some snow on those mountains up there.